If you want to start an online store, Shopify is one of the easiest and most popular platforms in the world. But one thing many beginners find confusing is the pricing plans. Which plan to choose, what features you get, and how much you should expect to pay. Today, I will explain Shopify pricing plans in a simple way so you can understand them clearly and pick the right one for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to make smart decisions online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description to get the Shopify with a special offer. By using the description link, any discount or bonus they will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Shopify has several pricing plans, each designed for different types of sellers with different need. Starting with the starter or basic plan on lower level. Then we will talk about the main plan in the middle, and finally we will talk about the advanced plan for stores that are growing fast and need advanced features. Let's begin with the Shopify starter plan or basic plan. This is the most basic entry point, which is at $19 per month. It's great for people who want to sell products without building a full website. With the basic plan, you get a simple way to sell links, like link in bio selling, social commerce, and easy checkout pages. You can share product links on social media, messaging, or email, and customers can buy from you without visiting a full store. This plan is usually the cheapest one and works well if you are just beginning your journey or starting selling online. Moving up, the Shopify's regular plan or Grow plan, which is at $49 per month. Basically, it is the middle plan. It includes everything in the basic plan but adds more advanced feature like better reporting, gift card, and improved shipping discount. The regular plan is ideal for the stores that are already selling regularly and want more tools to manage their business more professionally. It also comes with lower credit card processing fees compared to the basic plan, which can help you to save money as sales grow. Above that is the advanced Shopify plan. This plan is made for faster growing stores and small businesses that are beginning to scale. With advanced Shopify, you get very detailed reports, advanced report builder, and third-party calculated shipping rates, which can be very useful if you want to give your customers accurate shipping prices based on the real carrier costs. The credit card fees are lower again, and you get more powerful tools to manage inventory, staff account, and analytics. Shopify also offers Shopify Plus, which is the enterprise level for large businesses, high volume sellers, and brands that need custom solutions and advanced integrations. Shopify Plus gives personalized support, custom checkout options, and more flexibility for big stores. This plan is usually more expensive because it is designed for the big brands, agencies, and large online businesses. One important thing to understand is that every Shopify plan also includes 24/7 support, a secure shopping cart, mobile friendly design, and easy access to the Shopify app marketplace. The app marketplace lets you add many extra features to your store like email marketing, reviews, inventory management, rewards, and many more. Some apps are free and some are paid, but they help you to grow your store faster. If you are just starting and you want a very simple setup with minimal cost, the basic plan, which is the starter plan, this plan may be enough. But if you want a full online store with your own domain, products, and checkout, the basic or regular plan, which Shopify called the Grow plan, that is usually the best choice for beginners and growing sellers. If your store is getting bigger, sells a lot every month, you need advanced reporting and shipping tools. The advanced tool or plus tools might be the best. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this explanation of Shopify pricing plan helped you to understand what each plan includes and how to choose the one that is perfect for your business. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.